Hello, I am Birendra Singh. Welcome here. I will derive the electric field intensity at axial position due to dipole. Here, two point charges minus q and plus q are placed on the x-axis. See here in figure 1. Figure 1. See here in figure 1. Figure 1. And in figure 2 also, here dipole is placed on y-axis, and in figure 3 here dipole is placed in z-axis. But we will take up figure 1. In figure 1, the charge minus q and plus q placed at point A and point B respectively, separated by 2L distance. Here it is shown 2L distance. Now take point O here, point O, center of dipole, midpoint of AB, and from this point O to point P here, point P, take the distance small r. So distance between point B and point P will be r minus L, and distance between point A to point P, it will be r plus L. Now see here, we will take up the direction of electric field intensity due to charge plus q. So the direction is here shown at point P, EPB. Here direction is EPB, that is electric field intensity at point P due to charge at B, away from point P and along the line AP. Now electric field intensity at point P due to charge minus q at A. Now it will be towards minus q, direction is here shown here, towards minus q, and this is vector E PA. Now see, the magnitude of EPB equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught, 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught q by r upon r minus L to the whole square, and this is away from P, written here, away from P and along BP, along BP. Now the electric field intensity at point P due to charge at A, here EPA, equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught mod minus q upon r plus L to the whole square. Always take the magnitude of negative charge if it is there, towards, here it is written, towards minus q, towards minus q and along PA. Now see, the EPB is greater than EPA. EPB is greater than EPA because R minus L is less than R plus L. Therefore, we will take up net electric field intensity at point P. EP is equal to E net is equal to EPB minus EPA equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q upon R minus L to the whole square minus Q upon R plus L to the whole square. Now after calculation, you will see EP is equal to Q upon 4 pi epsilon naught 4 RL upon R square minus L square to the whole square. See here, if R is very greater than L, if R is very greater than L, then L square can be neglected. Therefore, EP is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught. Here Q into 4L upon 4 pi epsilon naught R cube, or EP is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught multiply 2P upon R cube, 2P upon R cube. Here P is equal to 2L into Q. This P is electric dipole moment. Thank you so much.